Habang nakatalikod tayo doon, anong naisip ko? Proud kaya sa atin si Jose Rizal. Paano pag buhay kaya siya ngayon? Ano kaya iniisip niya sa atin?
Mabuhay! Kami ang SB19, ang inyong NCCA Youth and Central Rizal Ambassadors.
Congratulations, SB19. Thank you for being our modern-day map makers, guiding us toward a brighter future for Filipino music and culture as carriers of the spirit of the Velarde map and its enduring love for our people. May you continue to go up, illuminating the path for the next 1,000 years of our Filipino people. Shine brightly like the stars, proving that no challenge is too great for those who dare to dream.